Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on curved graphs worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we can practice drawing some simple curves on a number plane. Now, if you're not sure what to do here, because these look a little bit interesting, there is a lesson on this particular topic. On the next slide, you will see a link. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So basically, all we do for all the examples, we need to draw a table of values. So we saw earlier with the straight lines, when we're drawing curves or straight lines, we have to draw a table like that, and then we have the x value, and then we have the y values. So we write some x values here. We can make our own x values, and then we write some y values there. We can work the y values out. So once we have the x values, we can work out the y values, and then we plot the points on the number plane, and then we sketch the curve. Now, I gave you a clue in the previous video. Whenever you have a power like this, x squared, that's an index or a power, that is the clue that we have a curve involved. So let's have a look where we have the power, which is 2. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, look, nearly all of them. That one, that one, that one, and that one. That's the only one where the power is 3. So just to give you a little clue, wherever you have a power that is 2 like this, the curve is going to look something like that. It's a parabola. Now, depending on the nature of the equation, it might even look like that. This is just a rough idea of what the curve looks like. And on the number plane, it can be situated anywhere. Again, that depends on the equation. So while it's a parabola, because it has x squared, depending on what the equation looks like, and after you do all your substitutions, the curve could be located anywhere on the number plane. So remember, if you're a little bit confused, on the next slide there is a link, and if you click on that link, it will explain how to do all the examples. So this video has just given us a worksheet where we can practice drawing some curves on a number plane, and to do that we just construct a simple table and then find some values, plot them on the number plane, and then join them up to form the curve.